The South Rivanna water system is comprised of a source water reservoir, raw and finished water pumping facilities, water treatment plant, and water storage tanks, all serving over 110,000 citizens and businesses in the city of Charlottesville, including UVA and urban areas of Albemarle County. The South Rivanna Reservoir was built in 1966 and currently provides about 850 million gallons of usable water storage. Water from the South Rivanna Reservoir is treated at the South Rivanna Water Treatment Plant, which has the capacity to process 12 million gallons of finished water per day. The South Rivanna Water Treatment Plant is the largest of the 3 urban plants. A project to add granular activated carbon filters at all of our water treatment plants was recently completed to enhance the quality of our drinking water. Additional plant improvements have been identified and will be accomplished in a construction project starting in the fall of 2019, with completion scheduled for 2023. These improvements include an expansion of the chemical storage, laboratory, and process control facilities, installation of 2 additional filters, replacement of pumping and electrical equipment, an additional building to increase office, training, and storage areas. These upgrades will improve reliability of the plant and maintain the current treatment capacity. The estimated budget to complete these improvements is currently $17 million.